Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a detailed first look at one of the most exciting muscle car concepts that enthusiasts have been dreaming about for years, the 2026 Plymouth HEMI Cuda. This legendary name has returned, with a bold modern design, powerful performance, and advanced technology while keeping the aggressive spirit of the classic HEMI Cuda alive. If you're a fan of American muscle cars, make sure you stay until the end because this car has plenty of exciting features to explore. The first thing that grabs your attention is its aggressive stance. From the very first glance, the new HEMI Cuda looks muscular, wide, and ready for the road. The long hood, low roofline, and wide body instantly remind you that this is a true performance machine. Finished in a stunning metallic blue shine color, the car looks premium under showroom lights with every curve reflecting beautifully. Moving to the front, the design is bold and intimidating. The large black grille proudly displays the Plymouth name, while the slim LED headlights give the car a modern and aggressive expression. The front bumper features large air intakes that not only improve cooling, but also enhance the sporty appearance. The sculpted hood includes functional air vents and a signature hood scoop, hinting at the powerful engine hidden underneath. As we move around the side, the profile is clean yet muscular. Wide fenders, sharp body lines, and aerodynamic side skirts give the car an athletic look. The long coupe silhouette pays tribute to the original Cuda, while introducing a modern performance-inspired design. Large black alloy wheels with low-profile performance tires perfectly fill the wheel arches, making the car appear planted and ready to launch. At the rear, the design continues to impress. Full-width LED taillights, a large rear spoiler, an aggressive diffuser, and quad exhaust outlets create a bold finish. Every angle of the car has been carefully designed to maximize both style and aerodynamic efficiency. Even when parked, the HEMI Cuda looks like it's moving. Stepping inside the cabin, the interior feels both luxurious and driver-focused. Premium leather sports seats provide excellent comfort and support, while contrast stitching and soft-touch materials add a premium feel throughout the cabin. The seating position is low and sporty, giving the driver complete confidence behind the wheel. In front of the driver sits a fully digital instrument cluster displaying speed, RPM navigation, and performance data in crystal-clear graphics. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather and includes easy-to-reach multifunction controls. The center dashboard features a large touchscreen infotainment system with crisp graphics and a fast response. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, premium audio, wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and voice commands make every journey more enjoyable. The cabin also offers dual-zone climate control, customizable ambient lighting, push-button start, keyless entry, heated and ventilated front seats, premium aluminum accents, and high-quality materials throughout the interior. Now let's talk about the heart of this beast. Under the hood, the 2026 Plymouth HEMI Cuda is expected to feature a powerful 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8 engine. Depending on the final version, power output could reach around 700 to over 800 horsepower, delivering incredible acceleration and thrilling performance. Power will likely be sent to the rear wheels through an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission, while some enthusiasts still hope for a manual transmission option. With launch control and advanced traction systems, this muscle car is expected to sprint from 0 to 60 mph in around 3.5 seconds. Performance isn't just about straight-line speed. Engineers are expected to equip the HEMI Cuda with adaptive suspension, upgraded brakes, electronic stability control, multiple driving modes, and performance-tuned steering. Whether you're driving through city streets or enjoying a winding road, the car promises excellent handling and confidence. Safety has also received major attention. Expected features include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, rear cross traffic alert, parking sensors, a 360-degree camera, multiple airbags, ABS, traction control, and electronic stability control. Despite being a high-performance muscle car, the HEMI Cuda also offers practical everyday features. The trunk provides enough luggage space for weekend trips, while folding rear seats increase cargo flexibility. Multiple storage compartments, cup holders, wireless charging, and modern connectivity make the cabin convenient for daily use. Now let's discuss pricing. since the Plymouth HEMI Cuda is still a highly anticipated concept. Official pricing has not yet been confirmed. However, automotive experts expect the starting price to be around $85,000 to $110,000, depending on the trim level and performance package. Higher performance versions with additional upgrades could cost significantly more. If production begins, the HEMI Cuda will compete with legendary American performance cars such as the Dodge Challenger, Ford Mustang Dark Horse, Chevrolet Camaro, and other premium muscle cars. Overall, the 2026 Plymouth HEMI Cuda successfully combines classic American muscle with modern technology, premium comfort, and outstanding performance. Its aggressive styling, luxurious interior, powerful HEMI V8 engine, advanced safety systems, and impressive driving dynamics make it one of the most exciting performance cars enthusiasts are waiting to see. So, what do you think about the new 2026 Plymouth HEMI Cuda? Would you choose this legendary muscle car over its rivals? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest car reviews, first looks, and automotive updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Anyway, baby, just name the time. When I'ma come through, can you get me cruising under moonlight? Top down, playing new sounds while the wind blows over it. Checking my maps, heading the stack, keep it intact. Do me a favor, girl. Can you keep it warm for me, keep it on for me like a shower? I need it to run for me, hold it down till I'm pulling up. I finally made it, girl. And I'm at the door, see you walking up to me, and you got something that's showing what's underneath. Still you expect me to make it through pleasantries, baby, I'm yours. Love what you got on, but I want it all for you. We can play a song while I'm holding on to you. Rubbing in the hallway, no use for all the rules. So what you wanna do? And she told me, she said it's all for you. I did it all for you. Baby, it's all for you. No, no, no. She said it's all for you. I did it all for you. Baby, it's all for you. No, no, no. We could catch a vibe here on this trip. I'm in your soul, you're on my head. I want you at my fingertips all night, all night. Love what you got on, but I want it all for you. We can play a song while I'm holding on to you. Rubbing in the hallway, no use for all the rules. What you wanna do? And she told me, she said it's all for you. I did it all for you. Baby, it's all for you. No, no, no. Anyway, baby, just name the time. When I'ma come through, can you get me cruising under moonlight? Top down, playing new sounds while the wind blows over it. Checking my maps, heading the stack, keep it intact. Do me a favor, girl. Can you keep it warm for me, keep it on for me like a shower? I need it to run